Thing 1, 2. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another live day trading session. Market opens in exactly 10 seconds. So here we go. I'm going to see what the market does as far as Bitcoin pushing. We're going to buy 10 at market. Dang, they filled me way up there at 25.89. Way crazy fill. Whoa. Way up here. $25.89, that's just ridiculous. 99 on Bitcoin. Last time it was 99 on Bitcoin. It went up to 30. See what happens here. Slight delay. Very big delay, actually. Yeah, 25.50 would have been the spot. What a horrible fill. Give me just a second to share our link with everyone. All right. And the most important group of them all, which I should have did first. You guys should have priority. There we go. Bam. Yeah, what a horrible fail today. We got some other good companies pushing up. XPEV, we're up 12%. My only regret is I didn't buy more. I only bought one share. Trading plan was perfect though, risking about 10 cents. Risking 10 cents to 12.37, just below 12.36. Popped all the way up. I only wanted to make about 10% on this, which I achieved, and even got a little higher, up almost 12% on that. Only regret is I didn't buy more, right? Mara hitting this 25.75 level multiple times. XPEV. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of that one share. There we go, $1.43, no biggie. Jeez, this sucker is loud, huh? Let me know if that's too loud for you guys. Well, your baby is. Good morning, good morning. Okay, that is pushing up. Crypto, not doing much. I know, let's see what else. Active trending up. SMCI was up, what, 8% this morning? Now selling off, which is good. You know, we want to see a little retracement here. PLTR pulling back a little bit as well. Tesla trailing along those lines. Race or Ferrari, we had a a buddy ask about this, about watching it pull back a little bit. Still looking very bullish. Oversold companies, still very oversold. GOGL trying to push up. DJT also pushing up nicely today from that 200-day moving average from 34 to 36. Nice $2 profit right there. JDST selling off as gold begins to push up. Gold pushing up today, up 10% today on gold, guys. Buying at 42, selling at 47. You'd be up 9% this morning on gold. Gold, Barrick Gold up from 16 to 17. Very nice. QQQ and SPY selling off slightly. And SCHD actually has a dividend on December 11th. So if you get in today or tomorrow, you should be able to get that dividend. I do believe it's like 25 cents a share, something like that. It's not very much. 75 cents. I heard it was like 25 cents or something. So VIX, VIX is showing definitely some fear, still very fearful in the market. It was down 5% today, now up 5%. So very interesting how that works. Look at crypto. Crypto's pushing still. Mara's not doing much actually. Let's go ahead and buy 10 more down at this level. 25.70. Man, I can't believe that this morning where I bought down here and it pushed up so high that it gave me a fill price at 25.89, even though I clicked it down here at 25.60. Pretty crazy indeed. 30 shares at what is that, 25.88. Not the best fill. I would have liked to have gotten filled way down here, risking only about $1 or $2. Buying at 25.60, risking about 25.50, 25.40. That would have been 10 or 20 cent risk. 10 or 20 cent risk to potentially make 2%. So I was risking a very small amount, you know, risking a half a point to make 2%. Bitcoin testing that moving average, see if it holds. Yeah, we could have already been out 25. We've been selling off all pre-market. See this went up to 26 and then just started slowly selling off. There we go. Bitcoin starting to push up above that EMA. We'll see if it can hold. How are you guys all doing today? Good, I hope. Good, I hope. Oh, can Bitcoin continue to go up? Yeah, see, I bought way up too high. Should have bought pre-market at 25.50. Sell at 26.15. That'd have been 65 cents a share. Yeah, 70 cents a share. It's almost a full dollar. Now Bitcoin pushing up, which means Mara should follow. We get above 26. We might see us go back to 27 now. Hello, hello. Good morning. How are you all doing today? Come on. A lot of resistance right here. What alert went off? I hate that I'm not seeing my alerts. Messages. Tomorrow. Just now. Your order to fill. Oh, JDST. JDST. JDST's down 10%. Holy moly. Look at that, guys. This means JNUG should be up. Oh yeah, gonna test this 200-day moving average. If we don't see this work out and it actually fails, we could see JDST push back up 10 to 15%, honestly. But no clear direction of JNUG pulling back at all. Very bullish right now. Still continuing to rise. And if it can pass 47.50, this can easily go up to 50. So let's see what happens there. Mara testing 26. Bitcoin still pushing up. It's going to be testing this moving average. If we get above this 200-day moving average, we can see it become very bullish. Back up to 100,000, back up to 101. If it gets rejected, unfortunately, Mara will take a nice rejection as well. Could continue to sell off even back to $24 or so like that. So watching Bitcoin very closely over the next minute or two. Oh, on the 5-minute, it looks like it is above the 200-day moving average, which is great. Trump family members and allies bask in crypto euphoria at Gulf Bitcoin gathering. Okay, so there's a Bitcoin gathering going on. Bitcoin is rising, 99.7. There we go, nice retest from Mara itself. Up, retest, up, retest, up, retest, and now it's pushing up. Bitcoin needs to get above 99,800 in order to see something significant happen here. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay, if you can see me okay. Good morning, good morning. Hey, good morning. How you guys doing? $99.6. There we go. Also need to break 26.15. If it can do so, then we can make some pretty decent money here. I got $777. Lucky number. Hello, hello. 99.6. People locking in some profits here. Retesting VWAP. See, I got in way too freaking high, guys. Shouldn't have did market. I should have did limit. Should have bought a minute before the bell. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. A lot of things. But didn't, right? So 25.50, I'm going to say, is a common area of support here for the day. Bitcoin is still continuing to rise. SMCI finding some support. Palantir finding support from that previous resistance. Tesla also. SMCI fell below its resistance. Oversold companies still taking a beating here. JDST still selling off. DJT finding a new area of support here above that resistance, 33.25. Push from 34 to 36 very easily, very nicely for a 4% profit, almost $1.50 per share. Overbought. Definitely American Airlines was overbought, so they're selling off slightly. SMCI was overbought. I still think Sound is overhot. It's actually overbought, still trailing right below its previous resistance. PLTR and Tesla are both going to get a retest on their previous resistance, which is now support. Microsoft is still it's trading this horizontal pattern. Do you guys see that? Pretty much perfectly right here between 440 and 445. Amazon, look at this, nice resistance, pushed above resistance and had a breakout, came back down to retest, consolidated pre-market, sold off slightly, went back up, did a retest, and now pushing back up to new highs. So this confirms that is a strong support level. Piton selling off back to that moving average. Now, if it can hold this moving average, then we can see this push up back to that $10 level. Doesn't mean it has to, guys, okay? Apple as well, testing, had a nice retest, didn't want to sell off anymore after 240-ish. And as you can see here, very clear levels around 240. You see that? Pushing up to previous resistance, 244. Some decent money there to be had. ETFs, VIX is still selling off. SPY not selling off as much, or is selling off, but QQQ not as relative to the SPY. It's actually beginning to push up from those lows right here. As you can see, another textbook low. Finding support, finding resistance, all right here within this area. Very small area, but it's there. Same with TQQQ, same area. JNUG, oh my gosh, look at JNUG. It's up 12%, guys. From 42 to 48, $5 per share. We could have got, you know, a good 20 shares of this. Even 20 shares, we'd be up 20 times 5, $100. Now we just need to wait for that pullback for JDST. Once JNUG pulls back, if it does decide to pull back. But right now it looks like gold is starting to show signs of upward momentum. First time in a little while. It's been below that 200-day moving average for some time. Just now crossed over that moving average, showing signs that it's bullish, or it could just be a bull trap. But if it can stay above this, we can see this go up even to $60. From 38 to 48, that's $10. To 60, that's potentially $24 in profit on JNUG. Now, if this does begin to sell off again, we can then get into JDST, as this will then begin to push up. So very excited to trade these inverses, especially since they have such big major swings. Again, already up 48.11. I wonder how much gold can go. Only time will tell. Already showing signs of a first initial pullback. We're gonna go ahead and buy, you know, say we buy one share just for a tester share, 23 to 27. That's, you know, $2 to $3 in profit. Mara not really doing much. We need to get back above this 2610 level. As you can see here, a lot of resistance right around 2610, and that's due to previous consolidation, not only at resistance levels here, but also a lot of consolidation on Friday, which leads us to today. What is this going to do? Is this going to continue to go up? Is it going to consolidate here and get a nice break above? Or are we going to continue to get rejected and go back down to previous lows? Anybody in the chat room today? Not really. Hello, hello. Second round, a better view, window cleaning. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the live stream. Where are y'all at? Drop the hey, drop the high, drop the high low. Any companies you guys are watching today, let me know. I'd love to look. I'd love to see what you're watching. Mara with the push. Live stream will be ending in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. So let's make sure that we call out anything that we see beneficial to the group and go from there. Hello, hello. Okay, testing again. Up almost 1% or $5. Now, guys, 1% on 1,000 is $10. All right, 1% on 10,000 is $100. So, depending on how you're looking at things, you can make a pretty decent amount of money, depending on how much the position size is. Okay, there we go. Push above 26.16. Let's see if we can get that retest here and get a nice bounce off of the resistance level, which will now be a support level. Okay, Bitcoin just hit 100,000 again, which is great. From lows of 97 to highs of 100. You know, Mara from lows of 25.40 to now highs at 26. Let's see how high this can really go. Very nice green candle though. Probably won't get any rejection till 100,005, maybe even right around now 100,002. So we'll see what happens as this continues to push. Very nice, very solid trade. Up 1%, $10. Hello, hello. Welcome. How you guys doing today? Good to see you. Hope you guys are getting my links and everything. So if we can continue to see this push up, may sell around that 102 mark, 101.5, 102, something like that, 101. Mara getting rejected slightly, testing that 2610 support. Look at that freaking average, man. That average should be down here, 25.50 to 25.60. That's where my average should be. Now we're gonna be up 60 cents, 6, 12, 18, like $18 instead of $3. This might be it. This might be that push for Bitcoin. Here we go, pushing up again. And Mara selling off. Smash that like button for me, guys. We will be live again tomorrow morning, same time, same place. Wow, big rejection. Looks like that's where the level is. It's retesting. It's still at 100,000 though, so that's the thing, and that's what I don't really like about Mara. It has 300 million free float. It's a lot of free flow, guys, to have. Their average volume lately is 56 million, so anything under 56 million is almost irrelevant. This is about 13 million today. And as Bitcoin pushes higher, Mara is going to begin to get diluted and sell off. It's the weirdest thing. I hate seeing it. I really hate seeing it, guys. Well, my average is right where VWAP is. Can't believe that first one, man. That first one killed me. 25.89. Horrible fill. That's what happens with market orders, man. I never want to do market orders again. Just for that fact. Okay, Bitcoin's still pushing up. 100,300. We'll see this continue to rise. It could fall just as fast, though. I think that's what it's expecting. Mara's expecting Bitcoin to do. Not a lot of volume, kind of pulling to the back of that MACD here. See if it could do anything. It's still pushing up. That's what's so crazy. We may have to go to something like I don't even know. Do we trade Hood now because Mara's not doing so well? See, it's manipulated and being diluted. 41 to 42. That was $1 per share right there. JNUG up 12%, slight pullback. Just don't know. Look how much Bitcoin's pushed up. Pushed up 2%, 2.5%. Mara can't seem to hold 2% or 3%. Man, I just don't feel comfortable buying way up here, man. That's so crazy that happened this morning. I believe you guys saw it as well on the live stream. All right, guys. Well, I will be ending the live stream here in about 2 minutes. That was a good, 30-minute live stream. I'm going to try to keep them short and sweet moving forward. If we find some plays or something that we just can't live without and we just have to stay on a little longer, or if you guys seem interested in wanting me to stay on longer, I definitely can. But it's 8 o'clock almost in about 2 minutes. 8 o'clock my time, 10 o'clock Eastern time. As this continues to push higher, if this can break 100,591, maybe get up to that 101, we could potentially see Mara going up to, again, Mara pushed up to 30 at 99,000. It couldn't even go above 28 at 104, and now it's at, it was 100,000 again, and it couldn't get above 27. So now we're pushing 100,000, and Mara can't even get back up to where it was at 100,000. It's stuck here at 2570. Maybe that's some type of delay. Maybe it's just due to a lot of dilution now as far as their stocks and stuff like that, or share price. So we may even have to start looking at investing in another company if we can't start seeing more significant moves from Mara. I mean, there's days that this can move, 8%, 10%, 20% very easily. This went up 15%, and those are the moves that we're trying to capture here. Unfortunately, this one has not played out yet. That's an 11% move there. On $700, could have been close to 77 or 80 bucks. We're going to go ahead and buy a couple more at 25.62. That's where I originally wanted to buy at. was way down here, which would have gave me a really nice share price. $33, 33 over here. Yeah. Anyways, I appreciate your guys' time. Like always, have a great day, and remember, it's in the year on a green note. Also, check out the pinned comment in the comment section to get free access to our Discord, and you can watch me trade live every single day, even as early as tomorrow morning, by simply joining our free Discord and subscribing to the channel. Also, if you're having difficulty commenting in the live chat, simply be a subscriber to the channel and you can comment automatically. Again, thank you for your time. Have a great day. Like always, it's in the year on a green note, and we'll see you all in the next video.